First, type PoXnT into Google or click the link in the description. Then click on Tools and search for Image Compressor. Next, select all the images you want to compress. Choose the compression level and format, optional. You can also click on Advanced Settings for more detailed compression options. After that, click Optimize Images and wait for the process to complete. Once the images are compressed, you can either download them one by one or click Download a zip at the bottom to download all your images at once.